In this tutorial, we will learn how to create light sweep animation in After Effects. First, create a new composition and give name to it. Set width and height of video. I am going to set it to 1920 by 1080. Then set frame rate to 30 and duration to 3 seconds and click OK button. Now go to Layer, then New, and select Text to add to layer. Then type something. Go to Toolbar again and select Selection Tool. Align the text, then select Text Layer and press S on keyboard to scale the size of text. Align the text again. Now go to Effects and search for CC Light Sweep and drag and drop on text. Enable Keyframe on center, select pointer and mark at the start point of text. Then move the indicator to few seconds forward and select pointer and mark at the end point of text. Increase the width of light to 70. Move the indicator to start point. Press the spacebar to preview. Press spacebar again to stop preview. Then go to File, then Export and select Add to Render Queue. Select Best Setting and press OK button. Click Lossless and select Video Format. I will use Vocoder. If you add any audio in your work, set audio output to on and click OK button. Now on output to select file name and give name to your file if you want. Finally, click Render button and the rendering will start. It will take little time. When rendering is complete, you can open the file and play your video. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.